This is how I built the perfect smart lamp. This project began with a vague idea, which led to me buying more than £100 worth of sensibility. By using addressable LED strips, you can control the operation of every single LED individually. If you are enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what I should make next. After a couple of hours of designing, the smart lamp was beginning to take shape. To keep this build as minimalist as possible, I used a touch sensor which can detect your finger up to 2 centimeters away, even with the plastic frame blocking it. I'm able to control the LED . I'm overjoyed with how this project came out. After months of brainstorming, this lamp exceeded every expectation. I've linked the STL files for this project in the description, so don't forget to check that out. If you enjoyed this build, check out my 3D printed e-bike video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.